Tesco is putting digital price tags in 3,000 stores. Everyone thinks it's so prices can surge during the evening rush. It isn't. I've spent my whole career working in revenue management. Here's what that hardware is actually for. A paper price tag costs money to change. Someone prints it, walks the aisle, swaps it, so prices moved once a week in big batches and generously. Make changing a price free, and you don't get surge pricing. You get sharper markdowns. The yellow sticker at the end of the day is a blunt guess. 30% off, applied to everything, hours before closing. With digital labels, the store starts at 10%, watches what sells, only goes to 30 on what's still sitting there. Same food saved, less discount given away. They're not going to charge you more at rush hour. They're going to discount you less at closing time.